The Netherlands, a country where there are more bicycles than people, home to some of the most gorgeous canals in the world, and of course, a windmill sighting here and there. This is where our story begins. A short story about a recent trip we made to one of the most fascinating places on earth, Fuerteventura. Situated in the Atlantic Ocean, it is part of the North Africa region. It was founded by the Spanish and is one of the Canary Islands. So we departed and we touched down, relaxed a little, enjoying the beautiful blue waters, but also explored some, making sure to learn as much as we could in the short time we had. This short film is not a guide or a travel itinerary if you're about to embark towards this island. It's merely a look through the perspective of our eyes and how we experienced it. I hope you enjoy. And ready to go. Bye bye, Sherry. Bye bye. The bigger cat is down there somewhere. And let's go. This have music.
Mag ik 2 van die kleine cheeseburgers?
Nice, you hit me.
I didn't go. Jesus. Yeah, nice. Let people away.
Vragen we je 1,5 meter afstand te houden en is het raar.
Wanneer u losse reservelied.
For the next couple of days after arriving, we settled, enjoying the surroundings. Enjoyed some delicious breakfast as well, wandering the city streets of Coraleo, all in preparation for what would be the highlights of the trip. We even managed to make some friends along the way. So, we've been seeing these scooters everywhere around Fuerteventura, and I tell you, today we're gonna hire one. Look at this. Apparently you just get your telephone and you scan it on, and that's it. I tell you, today we are gonna ride one of those. Promise. You don't want to, you don't want to, you don't want to. Finally we found one, and here we go. Let's see if we can unlock the other one also. No? You cannot.
Yeah, we can. Just gotta ride with this one to that one. How does it go? How does it work? No, you hold on to this one. You hold on to the head, you're not staying with it.
You gotta put the boost on super high. open. Nice little city.
So yes guys, we are in the city now. Let me show you a little bit of it. Show you this. Look at this. Incredible. You say, you should look the whole like really like open stand here.
It's hot. I'm gonna wear this face mask as well. Only tomorrow Spain changes laws regarding face masks. So yeah, in this weather, gotta be wearing this face mask. Oh echt? Yes. Fijn hè? Foto, yay! Coming way. Ja. Well done.